When payroll, HR, time tracking, and accounting work together in one place, it's easier to stay connected to every part of your business. QuickBooks has evolved beyond pay runs, combining your payroll, HR, and business tools in one native system, QuickBooks Workforce. With Workforce, everything works together from the start. Employees can request time off. Managers can approve it in seconds. And balances update automatically. Your team's hours flow directly into time tracking, and approved time moves seamlessly into payroll, helping reduce manual entry, improve accuracy, and keep payroll running smoothly. From there, payroll data flows into accounting and financial reporting, giving you a clearer view of labor costs, cash flow, and business performance. When your workforce and financial data work with each other in one system, you can spend less time managing daily operations and more time running your business. QuickBooks Workforce combines payroll, HR, and financial data with expert support and Intuit AI, so you can lead with confidence. Know your people, know your business. Know what's next with QuickBooks Workforce.